learners, I am going to teach you how to stew green bananas. We will need the following: a jiko, a sufuria with a lid, a wooden spoon, a chopping board, a knife, 4 small bowls or saucers, a medium-sized bowl, a dinner plate, 8 medium-sized green bananas,
1 medium-sized lemon,
3 medium-sized tomatoes, 1 medium-sized green pepper, this is optional, 1 bunch of corianders, this is also optional, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. We will also need enough salt to taste, and 1 tomato for garnishing. To begin, wash the bananas, tomatoes, green pepper, and coriander. Apply a little cooking oil on your hands to prevent the sap from the bananas from sticking on your hands. Squeeze the lemon juice into a bowl of cold water to prevent the bananas from turning brown. Cut off both ends of each banana and peel them using a knife. Place the peeled banana in a bowl of cold water. You can either cook the bananas whole or cut them in half. Chop the onions and cut the tomatoes and green pepper. Ensure you use a chopping board. Out this each item in a separate bowl. Put the oil in the sufuria and place it on the jiko to allow it to heat. Add the onions to the oil in the sufuria. Fry the onion until it starts to turn light brown. Add the chopped tomatoes and green pepper. You can also add any spices of your choice if you like. Cover the sufuria and cook until the tomatoes are soft. Once the tomatoes become soft, add the bananas and then stir. Cover the sufuria and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Add 2 cups of water, stir and cover. When it starts boiling, lower the heat and cook under the low heat. This is called simmering. Chop the coriander and add them to the bananas just before removing them from the heat. Serve on a clean plate. Garnish with clean tomato rings.
Use a knife to peel off skin gently. Hold one banana with your left hand or on a cutting board and use a knife to cut off both ends. Keep in mind that the sap can stain a cutting board depending on the material it is made of. Use a sharp knife to cut off both ends of the banana. Use the tip of the knife to slit the banana skin along the vertices. Use your hands to remove the skin. Oil or Grease your hands generously with cooking oil or wear a pair of disposable gloves. Cut off the ends. Use the tip of the knife to slit the banana skin along the vertices. Remove the skin gently with your hands. Remove the skin gently with your hands.